Stepping out of the comfort of your parental home in the USA, let's shed light on 5 crucial considerations. Number 1, financial stability. It's not just about covering rent or groceries. You need a reliable income for utilities, emergencies, and future goals. So, get a grip on your finances. Second, employment security. A stable job is more than just paycheck-to-paycheck survival. It's about long-term financial planning. So make sure your income is both consistent and sufficient. Third, housing options. It's time to dive into the housing market. Consider rent prices, work proximity, safety, and amenities. Will you rent solo, share, or take another route? Fourth, life skills. Can you cook, clean, and manage time effectively? Independent living means handling tasks once taken care of at home. Finally, emotional readiness. It's a big change, so ensure you're prepared for the new responsibilities and lifestyle changes. Bottom line, moving out is a leap towards independence. So plan wisely, considering your financial, emotional, and practical readiness.